64. Water vehicles. Amphibious. Cruiser. Submarine. Dinghy. Kayak. Ferry. Canoe. Yacht. Boat. Paddleboard. Sailboat. Tip 64. Exercise. Complete. In Barcelona, you can see various water vehicles, including ferries, cruisers, and yachts. The historic ferry Las Golondrinas, Suelos, offer harbor tours providing a perspective of the city from the sea. Barcelona's port is a starting and ending point for Mediterranean cruisers. A stroll around Barcelona's marina provides an enchanting view with a wide variety of boats and yachts. On the beaches is not unusual to see kayaks and paddle boards.